Hello, I'm Ian Geddes from the Camping and Caravanning Club Technical Department. I've noticed right now many of you are having fun in your gardens with your camping kit because you can't get out. This is great, and I'm doing the same too. However, this equipment is starting to see a lot of sunshine. Although it's designed to withstand sunshine, eventually the protectants that are coating these fabrics do sort of break down and they need topping up. This is where a product like this comes in. From Nikwax, it's very good. It's a waterproof as well as a UV barrier and will help protect your kit. It's not just for event shelters like this or tents, it's also useful on kit bags or your carry bag for your barbecue or a camping chair. It's easy to use. Always try it in a place that doesn't matter first, but it's easy. Simply spray on, give it a couple of minutes and wipe off with a damp cloth. Do the whole area. It's easiest to do when something's pitched or lay out on a table. Nikwax reckon it'll double the life of some equipment. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget we are still doing our Q&As online, as well as in the magazine, and we have extensive range of data sheets for you to read. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.